What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jeremy, and on this short little video, I just wanted to talk about Matic Network. Matic Network is a layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase that aims to provide a layer 2 platform to allow Ethereum to scale up its transaction times and also lower its transaction fees because, as we all know, Ethereum is very slow and it's kind of costly relative to other tokens to send things back and forth. And Matic Network is trying to solve that issue. And because of these roadblocks in Ethereum, there has been a huge delay in ETH 2.0. But what has gotten me bullish on Matic Network, besides the price being very low in my honest opinion, is the recent news that we have gotten from Matic Network. So this is on Matic blog. You can go check them out. But they recently launched staking, which is what I'm going to talk about in a couple minutes here. Just how to easily stake these coins and earn, because I think you're going to want to be holding these if this is applied to ETH 2.0, or if their network is applied in some way, shape, or form to scale up the Ethereum blockchain. And they actually just recently posted this, that they were able to get 7,200 transactions per second on their test net. So again, if this network can be applied to Ethereum, I think Ethereum 2.0 is very likely in the near future. And so if we go back and we look at this price here of 2 cents, I mean, I can't even imagine how much this could potentially be if it were implemented into the Ethereum blockchain. Probably over $1. I'm just going to go ahead and say that. But what's cool about this one is that you can also stake this coin, which is what I want to talk about today. So this is also on their blog. It talks about how you can go and stake. I'll leave this in the description, a link to it. But I'm actually going to go ahead and physically do it, so you can follow along with me. Like, if you want, I'm going to try to make this super simple. So first things first is that you want to download a Metamask wallet. This is like an OG crypto wallet. All you got to do is go to metamask.io, go to download. Boom, there you go. For me, I'm using Chrome, so I have a Chrome extension here. All right, I've already downloaded, and this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you want to deposit a little bit of Ethereum, like $10 worth of Ethereum, because you're going to need to pay gas fees, unfortunately, because right now Matic is staking on Ethereum, and Ethereum is expensive, and which is more of a reason why Matic Network is undervalued, and it is crucial, because with Matic, it would drastically lower those transaction fees and the speed of it. So yes, have a little bit of Ethereum and obviously some Matic Network. Get that set up, and then what you want to do is go to the Matic dashboard, which I think is right here. So there's a link to get to this dashboard. You are going to have to sign in, and once you sign in, you're going to have a dashboard that looks like this, and then they're going to give you a count, like number, and you're going to have to sync the MetaMask wallet to Matic, and that takes like 1 second. All you have to do is just confirm, and then once you do that, then you can go over here to staking. But let's first look at staking rewards, because this is pretty much what we're all concerned about. So right now, since they are live, or since they just launched, the staking rewards are extremely good right now. I believe at one point it was 100%, 100% return. But as more people stake, the rewards have a tendency to go down, and obviously the vice versa. So right now, if we were to stake today, we would be getting around a 50% return. What's also cool about this is that you don't have to stake for a whole year. Let's say if you wanted to stake for 20 days, boom, you get a 2.7% return, which is better of a return than any bank. I can tell you that much. And so, yeah, you can play around with this if you want, just to see how much you can get back. But let's go here to staking. So in order to stake, you have to delegate your tokens temporarily to one of Matic's validators. And if we click on become a delegator, boom, takes us right here. You see we have 6 or 7 different validators here, and I'm just gonna arbitrarily pick one because I don't really think that it matters too much. And also too, I just want to mention before you stake, you can claim around every 30 minutes, and once you claim, you also do get charged a small transaction fee. So that's why you should always have at least $10 of Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. But what I would do is that I would wait and claim my rewards maybe every few days, because you don't want to kind of keep tacking on that gas fee, because that can get kind of expensive. So I would just claim my reward every other day instead of every 30 minutes. So let's just see. I'm just going to go ahead and pick validator node 6. And as you see here, I have 2,532 Matic. I'm just going to go ahead and stake all of this, because I'm going to hold my tokens for a while, and because I believe we are going to see a huge price increase with Matic. But that's just me. And so here it shows you your projected reward. So this is every 30 minutes I'll be getting 0.08 Matic. Woohoo! All right, so let's go to delegate now. And I'm going to go ahead and confirm this. It's probably going to take a little bit. But anyways, so once you have delegated this, you should be able to go back on the wallet, and it should automatically update. But if we go back here to the blog, it tells you, okay, so see, we've already delegated. Get to this page. Okay, so then after you delegate, it takes about 12 block confirmations to confirm and to reflect on your dashboard. Okay, let me hit confirm again. And then you get this. Congratulations. And so, yeah, so basically after 12 block confirmations, you'll be able to you'll be able to see your rewards that you have generated. And again, I would wait about every other day, because you don't want to be spending all those gas fees trying to restake, which you can restake every 30 minutes, I believe. But I think that it's going to cost way too much. So it's better to just wait. But yeah, I'm going to do another video of like any updates or like any like roadblocks that like I run into. But yeah, I mean, so far so good. Let's see. Well, yeah, I just have to wait. But yeah, guys, pretty simple to stake, and I believe there is a so like let's say like if you wanted to unstake, I believe there is. I'm not sure if it's 21 days because I've heard there's that they stop the time from 21 days to 9 days unbonding. So basically, unbonding means that when you want to undelegate your tokens from a validator, there's this waiting period of around 9 to 21 days. But I believe that it's 9 days instead of 21. So you would have to wait. And that's just basically for security purposes. And I'm pretty sure for price stability and things like that. 9 days is not that bad. And, to be honest, some of my best investments have been because of staking and because because you can't touch them, you can't sell them right away. So it forces you to hold. And that's where you get the biggest gains, guys. I swear to you, this is where you get the biggest gains of just not holding them, letting your tokens sit, accumulate, and, just wait because who knows, man, this thing could go up to $1 and then, yeah. But all right, guys, I'm going to make some updates. Thanks for listening. Like and subscribe to this, man. You guys take it easy. Peace.